okay face?
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. I'm just looking at, like, you know, what the tree looks like, because there's some defects I'm going by now. So it's like, okay, you know, I'll go up another 10, 15 feet before I send it. The what? Yeah. I mean, that would be even ideal. Because you see where I have it binding together, right? But that's
Hey, that's a little bit bigger than the last one, but not by much, huh?
no.
That'll work once I get the butt done. Yep.
Hey, I can go down and let some slack out if you want to chill.
Well, it's the butt's stuck now.
Well, let me get some tip out. Go ahead, then.
Okay. I don't think you'll be able to move it from where it sits. I was hoping it would just break those loose, but there it goes. There you go. You got it, Tim.
Hold tight.
There you go. Beautiful. Nice. Rope.
Alright, you gonna start launching wood?
Yeah, in about 30 seconds, I'm going to send you my rigging ring so it doesn't get lost out there.
I tried to let it hammer out of there, but it wouldn't. Hey, I can go down and let some slack out if you want to chill.
Well, it's the butt's stuck now.
Oh, well, let me get some tip out. Go ahead then.
Okay. I don't think you'll be able to move it from where it
Yeah,
sits.
if you think I can't move it.
I was hoping we could break those loose, but
There it goes. Hold on.
there you go.
I got it. Hold tight. It's gonna load and hit you.
Hang on. Just.